Did you know that the fastest way to slowly kill your engine is something most drivers ignore every single week? Not bad fuel, not high mileage, just small maintenance mistakes that quietly steal power, fuel economy, and years of engine life. And the crazy part is, most of them take less than 5 minutes to fix. Today, I'm going to show you 5 simple changes that can instantly wake your car up. And the last one is the reason some engines feel brand new again after 100,000 miles. Tip number 1. Cleaning or replacing the air filter regularly. Did you know one of the fastest ways to lose engine power has nothing to do with the engine itself? It starts with the air your car is breathing. Most drivers think slow acceleration means a serious problem, but often the real issue is a clogged air filter. Imagine trying to run while breathing through a thick cloth. That is exactly what your engine experiences when the filter is full of dust and debris. Airflow drops, fuel burns less efficiently, and your car starts feeling heavy and unresponsive. The surprising part is this problem builds slowly, so drivers don't notice it until performance already drops. Open your air filter box, pull the filter out, and hold it toward the light. If light barely passes through it, your engine has been struggling. Replacing it takes minutes, and many drivers immediately notice smoother acceleration, better throttle response, and even improved fuel economy, especially if you drive in dusty roads or heavy traffic. But here's what most people don't realize. A dirty air filter can also affect sensors and fuel delivery, which leads to the next issue many drivers unknowingly create. Tip number 2. Changing engine oil the right way. Most people know oil changes are important, but very few understand that using the wrong oil can quietly reduce engine performance. Many drivers believe thicker oil protects better, but modern engines are designed to run with very specific oil grades. Using oil that is too thick can slow internal movement, increase resistance, and reduce efficiency. The difference becomes noticeable during cold starts and long drives when the engine has to work harder than it should. The real advantage comes from using the manufacturer-recommended oil grade and switching to full synthetic when possible. Synthetic oil flows better, protects against sludge, and reduces friction inside the engine, which helps it run smoother and cooler. Here's something interesting. Many engines that feel tired or noisy actually improve dramatically after switching to the correct oil because the internal parts can finally move the way they were designed to. But even if your oil is perfect, there is another hidden system that slowly affects power and fuel economy. Tip number 3. Using fuel injector cleaner. Here's a problem most drivers don't notice until their fuel economy suddenly drops. Fuel injectors are responsible for spraying fuel into the engine in a perfect fine mist, but over time, carbon deposits start building up on the injectors, changing the spray pattern. Instead of a fine mist, the fuel becomes uneven and combustion becomes less efficient. That's when you start noticing rough idle, hesitation, and weaker acceleration. Many drivers assume something serious is wrong, when in reality, the injectors just need cleaning. Adding a high-quality fuel injector cleaner to the tank can help dissolve those deposits and restore proper spray patterns. The best time to use it is when the fuel tank is low, so the cleaner mixes effectively with fresh fuel and works as you drive over the next few drives. Many drivers notice smoother acceleration and better mileage, but here's where things get interesting. Airflow and fuel delivery are closely connected, and when airflow becomes restricted, another component starts causing problems. Tip number 4. Cleaning or replacing the throttle body. If your car ever felt like it hesitates when you press the accelerator, the throttle body might be the hidden reason. This component controls how much air enters the engine every time you step on the gas. Over time, carbon buildup forms around the throttle plate, slowly restricting airflow. The engine computer tries to adjust, but eventually you begin to notice rough idling, slower response, and reduced efficiency. What makes this fix powerful is how quickly it can change how the car feels. Once the carbon buildup is cleaned, airflow becomes smooth again, and the engine can respond instantly. Many drivers describe it as their car suddenly feeling lighter and more responsive after cleaning the throttle body, because airflow is finally restored. And when airflow improves, the engine computer can make better decisions about fuel. But there is one tiny sensor that controls those decisions, and most drivers never think about it. Tip number 5. Cleaning the mass airflow sensor. This small sensor has a huge impact on how your engine performs. The mass airflow sensor measures the amount of air entering the engine and sends that data to the engine computer, which then decides how much fuel to inject. When this sensor becomes dirty, it sends incorrect information, causing poor acceleration, hesitation, and lower fuel economy. Many drivers assume something serious is wrong, when in reality, the sensor just needs cleaning. Cleaning it with a proper MAF cleaner can restore restore accurate readings and instantly improve how the engine responds. And this is why some cars feel noticeably stronger right after this simple maintenance step, because the engine is finally receiving the correct airflow data again. Now, here's the big picture. If you look at all 5 of these tips together, you'll notice a pattern. Most engine performance problems don't start with major damage. They start with airflow, fuel delivery, and lubrication slowly getting out of balance. Fix those 3 areas, and many engines feel years younger. So if your car has been feeling slower or using more fuel, start with these 5 checks, and you might be surprised how quickly it improves. And in the next video, I'm going to reveal the maintenance mistake that silently destroys engines after high mileage, something most drivers only discover when it's already too late. So make sure you don't miss it.